The Hindu Upanishads taught us that as is our desire, so is our intention. As is our intention, so is our will. As is our will, so is our deed. And as is our deed, so is our destiny. Hi, my name is Anton Bennink, and this is the Freedom Lifestyle Show, where I try to share tips, tricks, and tools on how to first identify our deepest desires, identify what it is that we want, and then to guide the way to how to get it. And today I want to have a chat about this simple formula that the Hindu Upanishads move from desire to destiny. And this simple formula can help us to figure out what our deepest desires are and then fulfill our deepest desires. Because once we figure out what it is that we really love to do, who it is that we really are, and how to do that, and then we start moving into that direction, then we are basically living on purpose. And living on purpose is, I believe, true success. It doesn't matter what your purpose is, but if you are living it, I believe you are a true success. And when looking at success, the definition of success, I really love the way that Earl Nightingale defined it the most. Earl Nightingale put it this way: success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. And James Allen told us that a worthy ideal is an idea that you've fallen in love with. So what is your ideal? What is it that you've fallen in love with in life? And that will become your purpose. There's 3 core spiritual questions that I've learned from Deepak Chopra in his meditation series, Desire and Destiny. And these 3 questions, by asking these 3 questions to yourself every single day, you help yourself to be in alignment with who it is that you really are. And who it is that we really are, I believe we are spiritual beings with a physical experience. And once we realize that, and that our spiritual DNA is perfect, we can truly tap into that unlimited potential that resides within all of us. Now, let's continue, because I want to basically drive this home by a step-by-step process to how to figure out your deepest desire and then start to take the first few steps to fulfilling your deepest desire and starting to live your purpose in life. First of all, it starts with these 3 questions that I've learned from Deepak Chopra and Oprah Winfrey in their meditation, Desire and Destiny. You can probably download this meditation series of 21 days if you so desire at their meditation experience website. But these 3 questions, it starts with the first, and I already gave you an idea. It starts with really identifying who you are. And ask yourself the question, who am I? Who am I really? And then be still and let that inner voice within come and whisper the true answers to yourself. And then we move on to the next question. What do I want? What do I really want? And once we identify what it is that we really want, we turn over to the 3rd spiritual question. And that is, how can I serve? How can I really be of service? Because that thing that we really want can only come to us through the service we render. We have to willingly give and graciously receive. But notice, the giving starts first. You first have to be of service, willingly give and graciously receive. Then we move on to how do we turn that into reality? How do we turn that into something, let's say in some sort of a business setting, so that we can take who we are, what we want, and how we can be of service, and basically build some sort of business plan out of it that helps us on the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. And in this case, the worthy ideal is us living our purpose and getting what it is that we really want and being of true service to the people around us, perhaps even all around the world. And these questions that come next, I learned from Russell Brunson. He calls it the secret formula. And this secret formula he basically uses to identify everything that he needs to successfully create an idea of a business and a plan to start working on it. And this starts with the question, who? Who is it that I want to be spending my time with? Or who is it that I want to be working with? Because you're going to be, when you want to move progressively towards your worthy ideal, that idea that you've fallen in love with, you really want to do it with people that you'd love to spend time with, right? Like-minded people. And as you're going to turn this purpose into something that you're going to be working on, it's going to take an idea of some sort of a business. And in a business, we need clients. And our clients are those people that we're going to be spending a lot of time with. So it is very important to identify who it is that you want to be spending time with, because otherwise you might create a business for yourself that you end up hating because you are constantly spending time with people that you don't really want to be spending time with. So who is your dream customer? Who is this person? For me, my dream customers are all those people who want something, who want a better life, who want better finances, who want better relationships, who want better health. So because I want to be able to show them how to get that. Who do you want to be helped with? Or who do you want to work with? Make it a crystal clear. Write it out. Your dream client avatar. Who is the first question. The second question to turn this into a business is where. Once you've identified your dream client, you ask yourself, where can I find people like this? People congregate. Catholic people go to Catholic church. Muslim people go to a mosque. Students go to college. Etc., etc., etc. People congregate. People who love cat videos congregate under cat videos in YouTube. Where does your dream customer hang out? Online, offline, which sports clubs? Where are they? And then we move to the third question. What can I attract my dream client with? That is, for example, why I publish these videos, why I share everything that I've learned, because I want to build a community and get in front of people who want something, get in front of people who basically are those people who I'd love to be working with. And then I created the ultimate life and business design template. Because these people who want something, they want to be able to design their life and business in a certain way that sets them up for that progressive realization of their worthy ideal. So I created that and I put that in the description so that I can start to get into contact with my dream clients. What is it that you can create to attract those people that you want to work with? And last but not least, what is the ultimate result that you want to help your dream client with? What is the ultimate result that you can offer with your service? As we know now who we are. We know now what it is that we really want. And we also know how we can be of true service. What is the ultimate service, the greatest thing that you can help your dream client with to achieve in their life, to live, to have, to be? What can you help people with? And what is that ultimate result? So now we've basically got 7 questions, and we've basically turned who we are as a person, as a spiritual being with a physical experience, and realized what it is that we want, how we can be of service, and how to take that which we can be of service through and turn it into a business plan. And then we can start throwing it in front of those people that we really love to be working with and start working with them. And when you deliver true service, everything else will follow. And for not too long from now, you'll truly be living your purpose. And I believe that everybody deserves that. So for you now, if you want to get into contact with me, if you want me to be of service to you, you can go into the description below and click on antonbennink.com and download your free ultimate life and business design template. And also, if you're interested in more just for free of these awesome tips, tricks and tools to improve the quality of your happiness, your health, your wealth, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Don't forget, live with love and live with passion. Namaste.